So this is the demo for the FAQ question on the Devtools Tech platform, where we have to build this FAQ page or section, whatever you want to call it. This section exists on almost all the websites on the web. If you go for any website, razorpay.com, or maybe Hotstar, Stripe, or maybe Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere the FAQ section exists. Maybe the style of showing is different. I've taken a very simple and subtle way in this question. So you have to build this section. So this is more closer to what you would encounter in a day-to-day front-end job. Now, what we have to build here is that this section where there is a title and plus some n number of questions. These questions could be hard coded, but let's take a case where we have to build a generic component that could be used across the website with different questions and different answers. Now, functionally, there is this title and the arrow, and if you click on this, then it would expand and the downward arrow would change into upward arrow and the title is highlighted. Now, as you would see that initially there is no margin, but if you click on it, then there is some margin, plus there is animation to it. That expand and collapse, both states are animated, and this arrow changes with the animation. So this is one part of it, that you have to render the questions, n number of questions. It should be animated, and it should multiple questions. A user can open multiple questions at any given time. And if you open, then there would be, for let's say for the topmost question of the first question, there would be just bottom margin. But for let's say this middle question, there could be both bottom and bottom and top margin. And for the last question, it would be just top margin. So this is a fairly simple question. You can either use a pre-built accordion. So this is what we called an accordion from an existing library. I would advise that since you're attempting this front-end coding challenge, then you have to build your own accordion. Use the compound components architecture in this. If you want to know more about the compound component, then I would mention a link in the description. You can check it out. Plus, try to use either vanilla CSS animations for this open and collapse state, or maybe you can use framer motion for these things. So it's up to you. And this video, this demo is for reference. Feel free to expand it, try it with the same functionality, try a different UI of the FAQ, anything you like. Try this question on the Devtools Tech platform. Share your submission and submit your submission and share it in the comments.